द सिविल प्रोसीजर कोड 1908 सीपीसी में टोटल 158 सेक्शन हैं, जिनको पार्ट 11 में डिवाइड किया गया है। पार्ट 1 सूट इन जनरल, पार्ट 2 एग्जीक्यूशन, पार्ट 3 इंसिडेंटल प्रोसीडिंग, पार्ट 4 सूट इन पार्टिकुलर केसेस, पार्ट 5 स्पेशल प्रोसीडिंग, पार्ट 6 सप्लीमेंट्री प्रोसीडिंग, पार्ट 7 अपील, पार्ट 8 रेफरेंस रिव्यू एंड रिवीजन, पार्ट 9 स्पेशल प्रोविजन रिलेटिंग टू द हाई कोर्ट नॉट बीइंग द कोर्ट ऑफ ए जुडिशियल कमिश्नर, पार्ट 10 रूल, पार्ट 11 मिसलेनियस। आज हम सीपीसी के टोटल सेक्शन को डिस्कस करेंगे। प्रिलिमिनरी सेक्शन 1 शॉर्ट टाइटल कमेंसमेंट एंड एक्सटेंड, सेक्शन 2 डेफिनेशन, सेक्शन 3 सबऑर्डिनेशन ऑफ कोर्ट, सेक्शन 4 सेविंग, सेक्शन 5 एप्लीकेशन ऑफ द कोर्ट टू रेवेन्यू कोर्ट, सेक्शन 6 पिक्यूनरी जुडिक्शन, सेक्शन 7 प्रोविंशियल समाज काज कोर्ट, सेक्शन 8 प्रेसिडेंसी समाज काज कोर्ट, पार्ट 1 सूट इन जनरल जुडिक्शन ऑफ द कोर्ट एंड रेस जुडिकाटा, सेक्शन 9 कोर्ट टू ट्राई ऑल सिविल सूट अनलेस बार्ड, सेक्शन 10 स्टे ऑफ सूट, सेक्शन 11 रेस जुडिकाटा, सेक्शन 12 बार टू फर्दर सूट, सेक्शन 13 when foreign judgment not conclusive, section 14 presumption as to foreign judgment, place of suing, section 15 court in which suit to be instituted, section 16 suit to be instituted where subject matter situated, section 17 suit for immovable property situated within jurisdiction of different court, section 18 place of institution of suit where local limit of jurisdiction of court are uncertain, section 19 suit for compensation for wrong to person or movable, section 20 other suit to be instituted where defendant reside or cause of action arise, section 21 objection to jurisdiction, section 21A bar on suit to set aside degree on objection as to place of suing, section 22 power to transfer suit which may be instituted in more than one court, section 23 to what court application lies, section 24 general power of transfer and withdrawal, section 25 power of Supreme Court to transfer suit etc., section 26 institution of suit, summon and discovery, section 27 summon to defendant, section 28 service of summon where defendant reside in another state, section 29 service of foreign summon, section 30 power to order discovery and the like, section 31 summon to witness, section 32 penalty for default, section 33 judgment and degree, section 34 interest, section 35 cost, section 35A compensatory cost in respect of false or vexatious claim or defenses, section 35B cost for causing delay, part 2 execution general, section 36 application to order, section 37 definition of court which passed a degree, section 38 court by which degree may be executed, section 39 transfer of degree, section 40 transfer of degree to court in another state, section 41 result of execution proceeding to be certified, section 42 power of court in executing transfer degree, section 43 execution of degree passed by civil court in places to which this court does not extend, section 44 execution of degree passed by revenue court in places to which this court does not extend, section 44A execution of degree passed by court in reciprocating territory, section 45 execution of degree outside India, section 46 precept, section 47 question to be determined by court executing degree, section 48 limit of time for execution repealed, section transferee and legal representative, section 49 transferee, section 50 legal representative, procedure in execution, section 51 power of court to enforce execution, section 52 enforcement of degree against legal representative, section 53 liability of ancestral property, section 54 partition of estate or separation of share, arrest and detention, section 55 arrest and detention, section 56 provision of arrest or detention of woman in execution of degree for money, section 57 subsistence allowance, section 58 detention and release, section 59 release on ground of illness, attachment, section 60 Section 60, property liable to attachment and sale in execution of degree. Section 61, partial exemption of agricultural produce. Section 62, seizure of property involving house. Section 63, property attached in execution of degree of civil code. Section 64, private alienation of property after attachment to be void. Sale. Section 65, purchaser title. Section 66, repealed. Section 67, power for state government to make rule as to sale of land in execution of degree for payment of money. Section 60, delegation to collector of power to execute degree against immovable property. Section 68 to 72, repealed. Distribution of assets. Section 73, proceed of execution sale to be ratably distributed among degree holder. Section 74, resistance to execution. Part 3, incidental proceedings commission. Section 75, power of court to issue commission. Section 76, commission to another court. Section 77, letter of request. Section 78, commission issued by foreign court. Part 4, suit in particular cases sued by or against government or public officer in their official capacity. Section 79, sued by or against government. Section 80, notice. Section 81, exemption from arrest and personal appearance. Section 82, execution of degree. Section 83, when aliens may sue. Section 84, when four state may sue. Section 85, person specially appointed by government to prosecute or defend on behalf of foreign ruler. Section 86, suit against ruler of former Indian, suit against ruler, foreign ruler and ambassador and envoys. Section 87, style of foreign ruler as party to suit. Section 87, a definition of foreign state and ruler, suit against ruler of former Indian state. Section 87B, application of Section 85 and 86 to ruler of former Indian state interpolated. Section 88, where interpolated suit may be reinstituted. Part 5, special proceeding arbitration. Section 89, settlement of dispute outside the court. Special case. Section 90, power to state case for opinion of court. Section 91, public nuisance and other wrongful act affecting the public. Section 92, public charity. Section 93, exercise of power of advocate general outside presidency town. Section part 6, supplemental proceeding. Section 94, supplemental proceeding. Section 95, compensation for obtaining arrest, attachment or injunction on insufficient grounds. Part 7, appeal from original degree. Section 96, appeal from original degree. Section 97, appeal from final degree where no appeal from a preliminary degree. Section 98, decision where appeal heard by two or more judges. Section 99, no degree to be reversed or modified for error or irregularity not affecting merits or jurisdiction. Section 99A, no order under section 47 to be refused or modified unless decision of the case is prejudicially affected. Appeal from appellate degree. Section 100, second appeal. Section 100A, no further appeal in certain cases. Section 101, second appeal on no other ground. Section 102, no second appeal in certain cases. Section 103, power of High Court to determine issue of fact. Appeal from order. Section 104, order from which appeal lies. Section 105, other orders. Section 106, what court to hear appeal. General provision relating to the appeal. Section 107, power of appellate court. Section 108, procedure in appeal from appellant degree and order. Appeal to the Supreme Court. Section 109, when appeal lie to the Supreme Court. Section 110, value of subject matter. Section 111, bar of certain appeal. Section 111A, appeal to federal court. Section 112, saving. Part 8, reference review and revision. Section 113, reference to High Court. Section 114, review. Section 115, revision. Part 9. Special provision relating to the High Court not being the court of a judicial commissioner. Section 116 Part 2 apply only to certain High Court. Section 117 application of court to High Courts. Section 118 execution of degree before ascertainment courts. Cost. Section 119 unauthorized person not to address court. Section 120 provision not applicable to High Court in original civil jurisdiction. Part 10 rule. Section 121 effect of rule in first schedule. Section 122 power of certain High Court to make rule. Section 123 constitution of rule committee in certain states. Section 124 committee to report to High Court. Section 125 power of other High Court to make rule. Section 126 rule to be subject to approval. Section 127 publication of rule. Section 128 matter for which rule may provide. Section 129 power of High Court to make rule as to their original civil procedure. Section 130 power of High Court to make rule as to matter other than procedure. Section 131 publication of rules. Part 11 miscellaneous. Section 132 exemption of certain movement from personal appearance. Section 133 exemption of other person. Section 134 arrest other than in execution of degree. Section 135 exemption from arrest under civil process. Section 135A exemption of member of legislative body from arrest and detention under civil process. Section 136 procedure where person to be arrested or property to be attached is outside district. Section 137 language of subordinate court. Section 138 power of High Court to require evidence to be recorded in English. Section 139 oath on affidavit by whom to be administered. Section 140 assessor in causes of salvage etc. Section 141 miscellaneous proceedings. Section 142 order and notice to be in writing. Section 143 postage. Section 144 application for restitution. Section 145 enforcement of liability of surety. Section 146 proceeding by or against representative. Section 147 consent or agreement by person under disability. Section 148 enlargement of time. Section 148A right to lodge a caveat. Section 149 power to make up deficiency of court fees. Section 150 transfer of business. Section 151 in saving of inherent power of court. Section 152 amendment of judgment degree and order. Section 153 general power to amend. Section 153A power to amend a degree or order where appeal is summarily dismissed. Section 153B place of trial to be deemed to be open court. Section 154 or Section 154 to 156 repealed. Section 157 Section 157 continuance of order under repeal enactment. Section 158 reference to कोड ऑफ सिविल प्रोसीजर एंड अदर रिपील इनेक्टमेंट। आज मैंने सीपीसी के टोटल 158 सेक्शन को लगभग 14-15 मिनट की एक वीडियो में प्रो दिया है। आप इसको बार बार सुने ताकि आपके रिमाइंड हो जाए, और होने भी चाहिए, क्योंकि सीपीसी के सेक्शन की, चाहे वो लॉ का स्टूडेंट हो, न्यू एडवोकेट हो, जूनियर एडवोकेट हो, सीनियर एडवोकेट हो, और चाहे एक जज हो, सबको पग पग पे हर स्टेज पे इन सेक्शन की जरूरत पड़ेगी। अगर आप कहीं गाड़ी में सफ़र कर रहे हैं तो कान में लीड लगाकर सुन लो, बार बार सुन लो, आपके याद हो जाएंगे और आपके लिए बहुत फ़ायदेमंद होंगे। अगर आपको मेरी ये वीडियो पसंद आई है तो उसको लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें, ताकि मेरा हौसला बढ़े, मैं आपके लिए इस तरह की और भी वीडियो बनाता रहूँ। जय हिंद, जय भारत।